Hey you guys, it's Tony. It's also harvest day in my garden, and I'm going to take some of my harvest and make a creamy avocado sauce. Grabbing 3 types of basils, cilantro, and parsley. Take them in and wash those herbs. Grab my avocado and my lime. Okay, super easy. Let's go. Take fresh garlic, drop it into your food processor, heavy on the garlic, followed by your herbs, and then your beautiful avocado. Pick a good one. Yummy. After the avocado, I like to hit it with avocado oil, not to be confused with olive oil, a spit of pepper, a dash of salt, and fresh lime juice. Go heavy on the lime juice. Squeeze, squeeze. My secret ingredients include a tap of rice vinegar, and for a little kick, this chili infused oil, and a teaspoon, just a teaspoon of sour cream. Mix it all up, and voila! For steaks, vegetables, fish, and chicken, follow me for more